Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the parameter estimation methods. So we were basically discussing about the possible techniques for classification of data, and there are many possible techniques for classification of data. Principal component analysis, yeah, PCA, and linear discriminant analysis or LDA are the two commonly used techniques for data classification and dimensionality reduction. So before going to the details, the prime difference between the LDA and the PCA is that the PCA does more of feature classification and LDA does more of data classification. Okay, in PCA the shape and location of the original data sets changes when transformed to a different space, whereas LDA doesn't change the location but only tries to provide more class separability and draw a decision region between the given classes. In the principal component analysis, this is basically a statistical procedure that uses an orthogonal transformation to convert a set of observations of possibly correlated variables into a set of values of linearly uncorrelated variables called the principal components. The number of principal components is less than or equal to the number of original variables. This transformation is defined in such a way that the first principal component has a high variance as possible. Okay, that is accounts for as much of the variability in the data as possible, and each succeeding component in turn has the highest variance possible under the constraint that it be orthogonal to the preceding component. Okay, so principal components are guaranteed to be independent only if the data set is jointly normally distributed, and PCA is sensitive to the relative scaling of the original variables. Depending on the field of application, basically it is named the discrete KLT, the Hotelling, the POD, all these things. There are certain more names which are given to it, but the PCA was invented in 1901 by Carl Persson. Okay, and later independently developed by Harold Hotelling in the 1930s. PCA basically can be done by eigenvalue decomposition of data covariance matrix or singular value decomposition of a data matrix, usually after mean centerings, that is, and normalizing using z-scores, the data matrix for each attribute. The results of a PCA are usually discussed in terms of component scores. Sometimes these are also known as factor scores. All these things are basically statistical issues which, in order to understand more deeply these statistical issues, should be clear of. Then we have the linear discriminant analysis or the LDA. The LDA easily handles the case where the within class frequencies are unequal and their performances has been examined on randomly generated data set. This method maximizes the ratio of between class variance to within class variance in any particular data set. And LDA is closely related to ANOVA. ANOVA stands for analysis of variance and regression analysis. So ANOVA, regression analysis, again these are certain statistical issues which you should be basically aware of, and this attempts to express one dependent variable as a linear combination of the other features or measurements. There are different approaches to LDA, and data sets can be transformed and test vectors can be classified in the transformed space by two different approaches. And what are those approaches? The class dependent transformation and the class independent transformation. In the class dependent transformation, this type of approach involves maximizing the ratio of between class variance to within class variance. And the main objective is to maximize this ratio so that adequate class separability is obtained. And in class independent transformation, this approach basically involves maximizing the ratio of overall variance to within class variance. And this approach uses only one optimizing criteria to transform the data sets, and hence all data points irrespective of their class identity, which are transformed using this transform. In this type of LDA, each class is considered as a separate class against all other classes. Thank you.